So in this video we're going to talk about arrays in Python. So arrays are similar to list where we can store multiple elements under a same name, but here in the array we can only store same type of data element, and because of this arrays are very efficient for numerical operations. And also arrays have dynamic size. That means we can grow or we can shrink the size of one array dynamically. So let's now see how we can create one array. So to work with array, because by default arrays are not built into Python, so we have to import the array module. From array, import array. So now we can work with array. So first of all, to create one array, so suppose we are creating one array of numbers. So first of all we have to specify the type of data that we wanted to store in our array. So here we can use the different type codes, like we can use I for integer, and also we can use F for float, and so on. So for now let's now create one integer array, and as a second argument we can define the array. Now inside the array we can have multiple data elements. So here we have created one array containing all the integer values. Now we can access any individual element from the array using the indexing. So we can print the first element of the array, so we're gonna pass the index 0. So here we have the output 1. So let's now talk about different available array methods. So first of all we can add elements to the array using the append method. So we can use the append method and we can append one value, like we can append 6. Now if we print the array, so you can see we have this array and here the 6 added to our array. Similarly also we can remove element from the array using the remove method. So we can use numbers.remove, and here we can specify which element to remove. So let's remove the value 1. So you can see 1 is removed from this array. Similarly also we have the reverse method, so we can use numbers.reverse. So this method will reverse the order of all the elements in the array. So you can see the array elements are all reversed. And also we can access the type of the array. So we have to use numbers.typecode. So this will return the type of the array, type of values that are stored in our array. So if we print this, the type is I. I means that is one integer array. So let's now see how we can iterate through the array in Python. So we can use different loops for that. So first of all we can iterate using one for loop. So we can use for value in and then the array name like numbers. Now we can print those values from the array. So you can see we have printed all the values of the array. And also we can do the same thing using while loop also. So first of all we have to assign 0 to the I, and then here we have to specify the condition. So as long as the I is less than the length of that numbers array, then we're gonna print the values. So here we're gonna use the indexing to access all of the values. So here we're gonna pass I. So I will start from 0 till the length of the array. So this way we get to access all the values of the array and we're gonna print them. In every iteration we have to increment the value of I, so we're gonna increase the value by 1. So the loop will continue to iterate and we get to access and print all the values of the numbers array. So here all the values of the array are printed. So this way we can easily create one array in Python, and then we have different methods that we can use over our array, and also we can iterate through the array using different loops. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.